everyone and welcome back to my channel Brings Joy Homeschool. In today's episode, I am going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you what my daughter's first grade math curriculum looks like. So a little recap, we use the Good and the Beautiful math for my daughter's kindergarten math, and now for first grade we have moved to RightStart math. I'm going to put the link in the description box of the curriculum. This is a complete game-based math curriculum and I'm really looking forward to it. My daughter is super excited. We start with our first grade in a few days. So I thought when I open the box, I want to show you what comes in it, what are the books they have and what are the different manipulatives. Like I said, it's game-based. It's abacus based, so there's a lot. It's very hands-on and very less worksheet math. So yes, let me quickly show you what's inside this huge box in this video. So let's get started. As you can see, I have two books here, which one is level A and level B. So for RightStart math, it doesn't go by grade level, it goes by the level of the child. So my daughter is in kindergarten and you could test your child's level on their website, and she came to be to a level B level for her math curriculum. So this is what I have got for my older one who is in first grade, and this is for my younger one. I'm going to try a little bit from this for my 3.5-year-old. Let's see how that goes, but I got this for her which I could even use later. Now please note that all of these different manipulatives, the different games, it is all the manipulatives that I have got from RightStart, which will last me for a lot of school years. This is not probably not what I'll be using completely for first grade. I'll be using, I guess, some of it, but not everything. And I'll be using a lot from this for her grades to come. So we have taken all the manipulatives for now, and we'll see how the chapters go and what we need from here. So here there's the teacher manual. So let's start with level B. It comes with all the instructions, and then it comes with a little worksheet book. As you can see, very few pages in that worksheet. This is for the entire year. That's what we wanted. We want a little less worksheet work but more of games. Then it comes with this lovely book, Yellow is the Sun, and it teaches how to use an abacus. Yellow is the sun, this is only one. So this entire curriculum is abacus based, and we do have an abacus which I'll show you quickly. It's somewhere below. So that's the Yellow is the Sun book. So the workbook and the teacher's manual, and then there is a few extra appendix worksheets and for games, I suppose. I have not opened it yet. So that is for and then that is some more instructions about what comes in the box. So we have the sun book, and then you have the math geometry panels. Let me quickly show you what we have. That's that. And then same for my younger one, the level A. Some people start with level A for kindergarten or first grade. It just depends where your child is at in math. You could place your child according to those levels. That is again the teacher's manual with all the instructions. These manuals, they come with everything laid out. So it's big and thick because it's got it explains you what the parent has to do, how to teach that lesson. So from lesson 1, it's laid out to lesson 132. It's all there. You have to use the manipulatives. You have to read what's written. How do you have to do the lesson? Everything's written. What's the objective of that lesson? And then what are the activities we're going to do? What's the explanation? Why are we doing this? And it helps the parents. So we love that everything's laid out, and that's the kind of curriculum I use with my daughters. It's there, it's ready to go, and use the manipulatives, refer to this, and teach your children, and it's so beautiful. So workbook with worksheets, and that's the appendix again. I'm going to eventually get another abacus for my younger one. So we have that book, and then this is again some more teaching guidelines for the parent. And I've told you guys, for homeschooling, it's not that the parent knows it all. I am so excited. I cannot tell you how excited I am to use this curriculum. Look at that. This is not the way I learned math. I mean, I am going to enjoy this thoroughly. Like, it's so hands-on, something we as a family enjoy. Okay. Now that is the elementary math Casio calculator, which we'll be using, if not now, maybe later. We're excited to learn time. My daughter can tell time a little bit, like we're still very basic in that. And what we love is these the hour and the minutes hand move. So that's cool. I guess it moves. I was moving. Oh, maybe it's just the hour hand then. Okay. Yep. So that is the clock to learn to study time. That is the geometry. These are geometry panels, and guess we make these and we make different shapes out of it. Yet to use it, so that's going to be fun. Then it comes with this geometry set. It's got a T-square. Yep, it's got a T-square, a little small tiny T-square. It's got a goniometer. It's got 2 triangles. It's got 2 4-in-1 ruler, set of tangrams, centimeter cubes, and removable tape. So that's pretty cute, and a lot. This is going to be fun. Then we have these wooden geometry solids, which these are the different shapes it includes: the cylinder, triangular prism, cylinder, cube, sphere, hemisphere, rectangular prism, cone, pyramid, hexagonal prism, octagonal prism, and square prism. So look at these. That's octagon there. Oops, you can't see it. There. Fun, right? Okay, there is the abacus. It's been a while since I've used an abacus, so I'm going to learn how to do this with my child. So that's the entire curriculum is based off abacus. And then there are some a few cards for the abacus to use with the abacus. Guess that is, maybe it's part of some game. Also, the yellow is the sun comes with a CD, so that's got something to teach your children too. And then this is fun. This is the math. This box has, it's called the Math Balance, and again this is for all the games and the activities that we'll be doing, and we have to build this. I mean, it comes in this big box here, and so it's like this balance. You'll see when I teach my daughter, you'll see how we use it and how we will be learning with this. I'm excited. It comes with this, all of this, and you have to attach it. It's come with its little screws, and we make that, and you'll see us using it in my future videos and on my Instagram channel. That's another piece that I'm not sure what it's called. Oh, there it is. It's a geometry reflector. So you can place it on a paper, and then you can see the exact reflection, and maybe you could draw shapes from it. It's the geometry reflector mirror red. So that's how it looks. Let me open it for you. Oopsies. And then, so, right. There it goes. These are some color tiles. They're very nice and big. We can use for our activities again. My girls are gonna enjoy this. My daughter cannot wait. I told her I need to do the unboxing video, so please have a little patience, and then she's just gonna come and explore. These are some coin sets to teach her money. Nickel, quarter, dime. And these are all the different games. There's the money card deck, fraction card deck, multiplication card deck, basic number card deck, clock card deck. So there's a lot of games in this little Ziploc. And that is place values, I guess, base 10 picture cards. Yeah, so learn place values. Then we have a folding meter stick. This is a folding meter stick here. There's a little drawing board and a dry erase pen. So there's the drawing board which fits in so that's my drawing board, little drawing board which came with the geometry instruction set, and then comes with a little dry erase pen. So it's all inclusive, it's got everything. Then again, place value cards here. And then we have these little guys. It's called geo boards. So this is going to be hold to some geo boards, and it's got all the activities and all that comes with. So yeah, this is new to me too. I'm gonna learn a lot alongside with my first grader, with my almost, she's 5.5 years old now. And then we have some popsicle sticks, so for games, I'm guessing. And then these are centimeter cubes. Each cube is a centimeter, and this is for guessing another game. And these are tangrams. You can make different shapes with these tangrams. There are 2 sets in this. I love the quality, very durable. Like I said, it's going to last us for a lot of school years. So I like that the quality is pretty good. And then these are fraction activities. Little stickers. And then it says introduce children to fractions early in kindergarten or first grade if possible. They're part of everyday life. So it's awesome how we make everyday life, everything that we do, an experience to learn and study math. So that's definitely something we're looking forward to again. And this is the last thing in the box. That is the math card games. I'm guessing that is all that little box that I had with all the games. It explains how you play it, and just with all the instructions. So that's another instruction manual there. So guys, I really hope this was helpful, and if you are making the choice to choose RightStart or switch your curriculum, or you're looking for extra math materials for your children, then this is what comes in the RightStart curriculum. We've not started using it, but I've done a lot of research about, that's my little one's curly hair there, a lot of research about the curriculum, and we as a family wanted something very, very hands-on, very less worksheet based, but with a lot of manipulatives, and RightStart had just the amount of manipulatives and games that we want to use for our little one, for our daughters, to teach math, this beautiful subject of math to them. So thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you for your time, and if you wish to see more such videos, educational videos, how I homeschool my girls, day in the lives, then please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.